menchua ki ong menchano udi nong penyap breu wan ais namo tlan henrai menta ting shu menchano breu menta ki ting yu nong di drugs menta.
Sometimes I feel like the government is also involved in all these drug dealers and stuff.
Kajing penungkap mereka drugs pokok state ko jungi kalaki usha bapalan. Tambayan ng inkuno ikna ki penungkap ne government ke bamla ban khang ya kajing rung ka drugs pokok state ko jungi ne kimi ki pa ki bamla ban hikai lagi khon. De banyo ikni ki jubab ngami surab banga kli ki pajba spangane.
Bisungo try kan ne kajing jele pokok drugs ko jungi ka de ba lalong sa bapalat ne kadang kumno ne.
Kalau pala dia kadang mi isi nang jor dapat malu pe itu ini nang pe mental na iya sakit dia napa pada ni ting stay bobon ya kan along jelas siapa pala
Teng ni i haki social media ba ba barabor da kemi nong di drugs barabor juyo i kadur jong kinong di drugs lada kurup kanu ru da poi klur na poi lakru andrai ya kadur jong kinong di drugs barabor haki social media kan long blur bai kinam itu baki dei badai mano kita kinong di drugs kinam dan barabor andrai ya kinong di drugs pan hinyo i be kadur jong kinong di drugs kin pelait be kadur jong ki.
Yes, from the recent news that I've seen recently, I think that the government should address it more and raise awareness about it more.
Okay. Ya kan ne kajing pun ka drugs pokok state ko jungi pin kono tai khana samla ne pin kono ne ka government ro ne kadi ka choice jungi khana ne kadi kajing kwa jing khana hi ne.
Kalau bami itu kalau ba government ni beri strict ni ba umno arung drugs apa. State ni. Nak samla ta semula arung tu ba di be ta te nak kena. Arung mulai.
Kajing pun drugs ane ha jela jongi em kadai kajing ko rekam jong ka government. Mo ki bawara hi na setai la ka government kam perking he kamut drugs ten one be hi sine.
Sometimes I feel like the government is also involved in all these drug dealers and stuff.
Kau ini kalau jadi begini aja kedokam. Isna dan ki susang makia kam dan jam dan ki sungok ini ki timbal itu. Kalau government kali bersna kalau ka ayo tan ai jam dan ki. Kita ingin gio kendo pada perlu kibag ya itu pasni itu lah shares ni lah.
Kibun kibru kibang kajing ngap kena samla how drugs de na kajing tunakam. Hoi kala bande ka way na kibunta kajing tunakam handre kabakong san kadi kajing tulak kajing muji perkat kena samla menta. Kajka perkalanya kajing muji perkat kajing ki hajka bakin penyaya kajing im kajing ki hakalinti ka badai. Kingapan haka ke besnil. Senang ni kau nak jumpa aja. Hajka bakin lewat tray kini lewat bela. Bakin mi nak tu kajing suka jengki. Kiki ngap ban hake ke besnil. Kiki ngap ban hake kajing terang jeng kamet kajengki. Tatu kadai kajing telat jeng kajing muji perkat kajengki. Bad kane kajing long kumne kadai nak kayeng kasam. Kayeng kaklem la ban hikai. Umno ki kena ki di ban sim kai kajing im kajengki. Hawa ki mi ki pa kimchu hikai ki kon jengki ban snil. Hendrik ki ban i pada ki besnil. Habon rukom.
So if drugs keep increasing, should we blame the youth for making the wrong choice, or should we blame the government for failing to control it?
I think the government is not taking enough action. But if they are, then they should raise more awareness about it. Again.
If we semua try baki kami pa baki bahing basembro ki dei ban hikai bahai lagi khone kadai responsibility bet kadai kajing clip betang government ne kata.
Ni harus datang dan naik ni. Kalau tak bi naik dah pilih hikai kon bila nak nanti negara ami sebar lai kuno perlu mungkin.
What about family? Should family be blamed into this?
Family, they don't know anything about what's happening, you know, with the kids outside. So I don't think they should be blamed about
So should you think that's a good sign that family doesn't know like what the kids are doing in this generation?
No, of course not. They should be aware of all these things, but then mostly it's the government's job to raise more awareness about drug.
So what about family? Are they not responsible for any of this stuff?
If they come to know that their kids are, you know, drug addicts and all, then of course they should take actions by sending them to rehabs so that they can live the normal life that like the other students.
Okay.
Because some of them are like they're forced to take drugs. That's why. Yeah.
Semua try kan kajing di drug kena samlam tadi nak kadaw yut, dia nak kadaw kajing guna kam ne, dia nak kadaw ba Kadi ka pressure na yung nasam
Hoi.
ne, de bakim na mani nasam hikay ne.
kawai kamde re ban ong mat kuno ena kaying kasam ma kuno re ki breu na ying nasam namar kikme kikpa yala ki khot anda kila he barabar kimla ban khang kile chano bat kimle chano lada de kapor wat breu kila lade por wat breu kila wat lada de por ada biki kwa ba me ki eru kwa di ki eru kikme kikpa kimla ban khang kila ban di de ka babu re mo kajing kerni ka de ling ba pateng ling ba ki porlok pateng tu te sakawairu bat kajing duna ki kam kajam
If it is family, do you think so family should be more aware and should be more responsible to take care of their kids, to choose to make them go in the right path so that they would be like, be careful from all this kind of stuff.
In that case, yeah, I think
Yes.
they should be responsible enough, and they should know about their kids, and they should take responsibility, accountability for that.
They kajing semua macam PK try ka best solution ba kini kena ba kinla. Kadi try bangin penbiang ka education ka jong ini, ka rehab center ka jong ini.
ba min ka rehab ke bandan bi government ada ki private kila bas na rehab center boleh government kamla ini mamanta bina kami ki sina di drug bina ayo pulit patang setengah tala apa ma kam dan bore ki bagin sar di bo ini timdan ke dawai ban piak itu drug
Do you think so the parents should be take more responsibility on their kids than the government should be? Should take.
If it's related to depression and anxiety caused by family problems, then the family should take more responsibility. But the government should also raise awareness, because it's not only just from the family personal matters,
What do you think is a better solution? A strict law, better education, or more rehab centers for the youth who are involved in drugs?
A little bit of everything.
What
And
about more security in the borders area? So that there will be more securities in the border area, so that there will be no import of drugs in our state.
yeah, they should take action against that as well. They're not taking enough action, and sometimes I feel like the government is also involved in all these drug dealers and stuff.
ni ki pa indir bang ikno ki badi drugs bagi de basleu im kno re no bagi de basleu hanrei kadai bar khoi kadai hanong rem de jimbom simkhya hira nadu basdang lingba sarkar ru lada umpoi hiro lada umdon hira nong supply drugs ini te ngam tharai re bandon kinong di drugs ini tapa badon kinong supply drugs ini takadaw sadon kita kinong di drug mentah ni ban mentale la nang roi mentah nong di drugs ban nginem la ban khang ubri ubam judi kiat bam judi biri di skrat bam pai han udi pat drugs kata ka wara ka fair.
So, if you give one message to the youth in this generation, what would you say about drugs?
I would say just one thing, that you know that it's bad for you, so you shouldn't get indulged.
Ka message pin ay government pa.
Ka sarkar hi lada ka simkhya ningkong du simkhya swa ya kani ka kam jo drugs ning sai pai pa de ki ever khoi simkhya swa ni kam jo drug lama lada jur drug bat ka jinya breu ru man ka singi kam slam ra man chwa ki ong man chano udi nong penyap breu wan ais namo thlan hanrai menta ting shu man chano breu menta ki ting yu nong di drug sumta
And ka solution nam tagine bar khoi ka dei government kaden pembiang ka awareness ka chongki ka government kaden pembiang nam taki rehab nam taki ni ki khna ki balhap ka drugs and the government kaden shim responsibility kata kaden pembiang ki security borders ka chongki bakin khang ki ni ki no supply drugs ne ki no import drugs apa ka state ka chongi kadang la ite ki ban kem lot ya ki ne ki nong khai drugs apa ka state ka chongi kini ki mafia behe ki dami ki mafia ki behe ba penya ka drugs apa ka state ka chongi ka government ka ben shimkhai ka tanamar kan ne kala panjulor saba pala di ka state ko chongi kala panjulor saba pala di ka state ko chongi namar menta padan baya brew no drugs and la si ka sapoi ka por ban yap no drugs kum ka government kum ka met chung ka state bro ka way ka day ban nong ka bor ka chung ka ban le kita bar khat but suka ban tem na phisia ke ka jung bar jupar khat ka chung phi phang ka ne sei comment hapo